Here's an app called Roar Live Video Chat and Call. So let's just install it. So let's just tap Get and double click to install it. Here you can just talk to stranger app. It's a communication app for truckers or yeah. So that's the angle of this app. Then you can just do like real-time voice chats and audio video chats with like strangers. You just need to be careful with this kind of apps. There are a lot of scams and some spammy apps, and there are a lot of accounts which are just not real here. So just be careful. But then yeah, and then you can just select your gender, upload your avatar, select your driving experience, and then then you can just see some community rules, and then you can just start chats with other people, and you can see notifications, logs, and that's that. If you don't like this app, you can easily cancel an account, and your account information will be permanently deleted. Your friends will not be able to see your information or contact you. So that's what it is. As I said, don't trust like all the calls. With all these new AI technologies, it's super easy to fake audio calls. Even I'm not even talking about text messages, where it's like super easy to fake text messages, and then you can be pushed to upgrade while you're just chatting with a bot. And so yeah, but try it out.